What's up, famous kids? We're back at it again with another video, and today is Easter, y'all. Y'all should already know. I hope you guys like this video. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe, smash the like button down below, hit the post notifications bell right now. But so today's Easter, and normally people do Easter egg hunts. So we are doing one today. We are about to do one today. So I just put a few things in the Easter eggs. They may be good, they may be bad. You may never know until they go hunting for them. So we have two guests. I will show you guys them later. So we have this many eggs. I got 2 baskets for them to collect their eggs. I'm going to go hide the eggs. So let's go. So the first egg. Let's see where the first egg's gonna be. The first egg. This is why I'm hot. I'm hot because you're not. I don't know where it should be. So I'm gonna put something that will blend in. I'm gonna put this yellow egg right here. I'm gonna put the yellow egg right here. They will never find that. That is so hard to find. I'm gonna put one in this basket. I'm gonna hide another blue one. There's this thing over here that they'll probably never find it. So I'm gonna hide it right in here. They'll most likely match. I need to put it in deeper. So what's in here? I don't know. I don't know what's in here. I forgot what most of these were. So they will never find it in there. So then we have the family room. This one has pennies, I think. I'll hide one in here. Inside here. I don't know where to hide this one. Oh, I'm gonna hide this one. Right over here. Okay, so I think I have a few more eggs left. There, so the yellow one is right there. I'm gonna hide one of the eggs right there. I'm gonna hide this right here. They'll never think of it, right? So that means that I gotta hide that means I gotta hide the other one. So this one, I'm gonna hide this one right there. Are y'all ready for the games to begin? Yeah. So we have 2 baskets for them. There goes the purple. There goes your orange. So they're gonna have their own points of view. So Mika Hall is gonna have this. So Ryan is gonna have the GoPro. Mika Hall is going to have my phone, and the games will begin in like 10 seconds. So y'all ready?
Yeah.
I mean, so
wait, do what?
I'm finished show you. So the eggs are either in this room, the dining room, or the living room, or either the family room. So only those 2 rooms.
The whole downstairs except for the kitchen and the bathroom.
Yeah, that's why I said the family room, the living room. Okay, on your march. Is it march?
Mark.
On your mark. You ready, set, go.
Okay, guys, I'm looking for it. I can't find it.
And then this couch.
We are doing it.
Yeah, guys.
Oh,
Alright,
no.
now, let me shit. Alright, let's look under your eyes. No. You see one? No. You see one?
So, I have found no eggs so far. This is bad.
She has found no egg. Oh, I don't know why it's not turning on.
Alright, guys, we gotta go around. Ooh, yes! Jackpot, guys, we found another one. See this, guys? Yeah. Alright.
So, they're looking. Okay, I have to follow Ryan. You stopped recording.
I know I did. Okay. You guys see any? No? I already got 2, which is great.
You can't find anything?
Nothing. You rushed over here for
Okay.
Wait, I forgot about that. Guys, you gotta look under here. No, but I found a bouncy ball. I guess that's a bonus. Just gotta close this back.
There's more.
Please just tell me where we're looking.
He found another one. Ryan, you gotta be smart with it. Keep looking. Keep looking like.
Oops, I kind of opened this one, but that's okay.
Oh yeah. Once you find it, don't open it. Living room.
I'm looking in the living room. The golden egg could be in there.
Oh, I forgot about that one. Oh, I found a fourth egg, guys.
Another one. That means that there's one in here and one in there.
The golden egg probably won't be in here.
Keep looking. You already checked up under there.
No, I checked up this.
So there is one
There's a bubble.
in here too?
No.
Boy, get out.
Make a hawes on off. Bro, look at all these eggs he got.
Dang it, Ryan. No, let me see one. I already looked in there. Huh? I got one!
Another one. So there's one more in the family room.
I'm not gonna get it.
Yeah, so there's one more.
So is it the golden one?
You better look. Yes, it's the golden one.
I gotta get that one.
I gotta get that one. Please.
Come on, look for it.
Oh, folks. Dr. D, get it.
I'll do it.
There you go. Go ahead, Ryan's gonna drop your whole thing. Why do you have that remote? You got a whole remote from the other room. The last one, the golden egg. Let's see who gets it.
We're gonna start recording again.
What the heck is
They are literally on the ground for the golden egg.
I got it.
Y'all see it? No, I don't see it.
Close, guys. Close. So close.
This challenge is bad for me. I get nothing.
My famous is gonna be like, oh my gosh, y'all are like so close to it. They looking. You already looked in there, fool. Right? Why are you on the floor like that? Oh wait, I'm dumb. There's 2 more eggs. Wait, hold on. Yeah, there's 2 more eggs. It's 2 more eggs.
Guys, look!
Dang it, he found it. Yes. He found the egg. Okay, there's 1 more egg. There's officially 1 more egg. This is the golden egg. 1 more egg. 1 more egg.
I'm not gonna get any eggs, guys.
1 more egg. Keep looking, Ryan. Come on. You got a chance. It's in here. It's in here. He got it. Wow.
Alright, guys. I found the golden one.
But that sucks, Mr. McHod. Just wait until you see what's inside the golden egg.
Oh, I'm still recording.
Nope. So we're gonna
You wanna
sit
stop
down.
recording?
Yeah.
I already stopped
So we're gonna
anyway.
sit down and let's see what Mikahog got. There's 2 blue ones. I swear there's 2 blue ones.
Go look for it.
Ryan, you were so close to it. It's in there. It's in there. I know there's 2 blue ones. Because I looked, hurry up, you better go. You were so close. So Ryan is going for the last one. I knew there was. Why would I put them in the new shoes?
That would have been a good spot. I'm sorry. Wait, I'm gonna just look, but if I find it, I'm not sure.
It's in here, Ryan. You were so close, I thought you found it. I have to think back like, wait, I know there was another blue one. Get off the floor.
I'm looking. Oh, that's
He's looking all over there.
Don't smash me, yeah? Wait.
Hey, get out the way.
You found it? Where is it?
In the VR.
Thank you. You got it.
It's in the.
Because he looks over there, I'm like, she might find it.
I found money.
Okay, so let's go sit down and open our stuff. So, Nicole Hall got most of them, which was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh,
7.
count
And
it.
Ryan got one, which is the blue one.
I got money.
So who wants to open theirs up first?
Me. Because
Okay.
I barely have any.
So show the camera what you got.
Penny. Yeah. It's an avocado. Thanks.
So she got pennies.
You can't even see them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
You got 10 cents.
Well, all you need is 80 more cents, and then you can have a
90.
dollar.
Need 90.
Yeah, 90.
Okay,
more.
so open
I'm
yours
gonna
now.
Open this. Wait, hold on. She already opened. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. Hot chip.
I want to eat it. I want it.
Okay.
He got a hot chip, guys. He got a hot chip. I couldn't.
Okay, this one there is a s'more. Girl. Oh, you definitely ain't getting this one right. I'm sorry.
I'm a Girl Scout. I'm the one who's selling it.
This one there. Oh, I saw this one. These
Yeah.
ones.
I saw you.
6 lets. Wait, 6 lets. 6 lets. You know what else comes in 6 packs? White donuts. But we're not gonna talk about that.
Shut up.
I should have had a crumb of white donuts.
Just a crumb? Like not
Yes,
a whole donut.
a crumb.
That's what they should have been. Okay, this one I found. I got quarters.
How much is that?
It's $1.
$100 bills, y'all.
Okay,
That was an ugly face.
this a piece of paper.
Just read it.
Okay. All right. It says a shirt.
Okay, the shirt's upstairs, so wait.
Oh, okay. And this one has
A piece of
a
gum.
piece of and another piece of paper, which says pink drink hot sauce and teriyaki. Oh no. Oh no.
That's what happens when you find the golden egg. It doesn't always have to be good. So are you happy with all the eggs that you found?
Yes, that's the golden one.
That's why I gave
Well,
you
the golden
gum.
one.
So I'm about to go get the shirt. Guys. Then I'm about to go make him drink the hot sauce and teriyaki sauce. So follow me and come see the shirt.
No.
So dun 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 dun. This is a shirt that was too big for me. It's most likely gonna be too big for you because you're skinnier than me. But here you go. Look at the shirt.
Okay. Have a nice day. Oh my God. Thank you. Come again.
Okay, so let's go get the hot sauce and teriyaki sauce.
Ooh, look at that. Looks like some juicy blood. This is Crystal Hot Sauce. Louisiana Crystal Hot Sauce. Look, teriyaki sauce. Oh. We got your little blood mixed up. See? Looks like some coffee. Yes.
Look at this, y'all. Look at
Let me
this.
get this
We
gum
can
ready.
prank someone like
So
that.
come on. Come on.
It does look like coffee.
Okay, wait, hold on. Ooh, it doesn't look look at this.
Torture.
Hold on. You gotta get like this.
Look at this, guys.
Come on, just do
Coffee
it.
doesn't smell hot.
Do it. Dude.
It's
Hold on,
coffee.
hold on. I
It's
got.
coffee.
Hold on.
Coffee.
Alright.
Hurry up, drink it all.
Drink
it all.
Jug it.
Come on. The whole
Jug
thing.
it. The whole thing.
Hold on.
The whole thing.
Oh, I don't want to do this. Alright.
Do it for them. Ah!
You're disgusting. You're disgusting. Y'all, he drank the whole thing.
You need milk.
Oh!
He needs some milk.
That gum doesn't help.
Are you okay? You're okay.
Give me this.
The milk is on the thing. No, it's on the thing.
Brian, stop. Better?
Alright, no.
No. You got me hot. Smelling it. So y'all, I hope you guys like this video. That was a fun Easter egg hunt. I hope you guys like my new videos coming up, but
They'll be
remember,
in the description below.
yes, he's burning up right now. He's making me burn up. But I hope you guys like this video. Smash that like button like Ryan said, and we'll see you in the next video. Famous
Smash
Kid
it.
out.
My chest is burning.
He ate the hottest buffalo wings.
It's not working.
Wait, you're. Oh no! He's lactose intolerant.
No, I'm not.
Do you see?
Okay, guys.